Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create worksheets on Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and visit the Canva website. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click the Create button in the top right corner. Next, select Custom Size. For this example, enter 100 by 100 pixels and click Create New Design. If you're creating a printable worksheet, you can choose a larger size that better fits your needs. When the blank canvas opens, it's time to add your worksheet instructions. Click on the text option from the left sidebar and insert either a heading or a regular text box. Type your activity instructions, such as circle the animals that begin with the letter E. You can change the font, text size, and color to make the worksheet more attractive and easier for children to read. Now let's add some pictures. Open the Elements tab and search for animals. You'll find a wide variety of illustrations, icons, and graphics. Drag the animals you want onto your worksheet. For example, you can add a panda, a fox, and an elephant so children can identify the correct answers. Arrange and resize the images to leave enough space for kids to circle the correct ones. To make the worksheet look more professional, you can also add a border. In the Elements section, search for border and choose a design you like. Resize it so it fits neatly around the page. If you'd like to make the design even more colorful, click on the page background and choose a different background color from the toolbar. A bright but soft color can make the worksheet more engaging for children while keeping the content easy to read. Once you're happy with the design, click Share, then Download and save your worksheet in your preferred format. Canva also saves your project automatically, so you can come back anytime to edit it or create additional worksheets. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create worksheets on Canva. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.